Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 20th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw more green on the screen today, more optimism over tax reform. That has been a big contributor to this upswing in the markets, and today was no difference. The Dow gaining 72 points, while the S&P was up 3 points. The Nasdaq gained 8, and the Russell was up 10 points. So pretty decent last 3-4 days for the Russell. Bonds were fairly quiet. However, gold was not. Gold gave up everything it gained yesterday and then some. A horrible day, down over 20 points. This all started this morning when news out of Germany cast doubt on the fact that Chancellor Angela Merkel might serve a fourth term. So with that, the Euro weekend, which helped the US dollar gain strength, and that put pressure on gold. So this is going to get really, really interesting. We thought we had a bit of a breakout here to the upside. Instead, it does a complete 180 here and reverses. Let's see what tomorrow brings for gold. Crude today was down slightly. It gapped lower, made most of that back by the end of the day, but down about 46 cents or so. Now, one of the most difficult things for traders, especially young traders, is patience. But no doubt, I've been doing this for 30 years, and I can tell you, I've worked with some of the best in the industry, and the one common trait among some of the most successful traders and investors out there is patience. You absolutely need patience to be a successful trader. And one of the easy mind tricks you can use, or one of the things, the approaches you can take to the market that will help you accomplish that, is to think of setups in specifically focusing on confirmation rather than looking for a trigger. Most traders, especially young traders, get very anxious looking for the proper spot to get in, and they're always trying to outguess the market. They always want to be first to call the next direction. So here we are sitting with the Dow pretty much going sideways here the last week or so, and I'm sure out there's thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of traders making a call on what the next direction is going to be. Well, let me take the pressure off your shoulders, okay? Or the weight off your shoulders, I should say. An easy way is to wait for confirmation. That's all you really have to do, is just wait for, don't try to outguess it. If you can tell yourself that whenever you're trying to figure out the next direction of a stock or an index, what you're doing is guessing, and take the guesswork out of it and wait for confirmation. So something like you see today on the Dow, the S&P here, which are consolidating recently, all you have to do is mark the high and mark the low and wait. That's it. Now, patience, that waiting period becomes much easier when you take the pressure off yourself and you're not expecting yourself to call that next move. All you're doing is waiting for confirmation. If you get a close above these highs, you're often running to the upside again. If you close below the lows, we're more than likely going to pull back even further or have a bigger retracement here. So take the pressure off yourself. Don't try to guess. Just wait for confirmation. And remember one thing, patience does pay. It pays off big time. So please think in the sense of confirmation, not guessing what the next direction is going to be. Okay, I hope that helps. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.